Hi and welcome. I am here today with HTC Desire 21 Pro and I'll be showing you how to get an iOS control center. First, let's go to Google Play Store and then look for Control Center. iOS 14. Now install the first application that pops up. I'll have to adjust volume levels because there are going to be several advertisements. Now open it. It's going to be loading for a while. Allow display over other apps. Go back. Swipe all the way to the right. Now we have to give another permission. Allow modifying system settings. And now we should be golden. Whoops. Seems like I have to open it again. As I stated before, there are several advertisements in this application. Let's just simply close it. Now, if everything's working correctly, if we move our finger from this section on the right to the left, we should get, here it is, an iOS control center. And that's everything for this video. All it takes is to just install a simple application. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye and have a great day.